Hi guys, in this video I'll be walking you through a very simple Zapier automation. They take less than 5 minutes to set up. So the example that I'm going to walk you through is to create one calendar invite when another one comes in. So to get started, you just click up here on Make a Zap. The example that we're going to work with today is I've got an automated calendar from Turo, and it actually marks when a car is unavailable. So every time a car is unavailable, I want to schedule some time with somebody else to come by, take pictures of the car, run through some of those insurance items. So in this case, again, first step is to choose the app that you want to connect to. And click on Google Calendar. And it says, what do you want us to do, or what trigger do you want to create? So we're going to do a new event matching a search. You could just say, when any new event is created, I'm going to say a new event when matching a search. Click on Continue. It's going to ask which calendar account you want to use. I've connected my email here. And then it says now within that calendar, within that account, which calendar do you want to use? So I'm going to click again on Turo. You can use your personal calendar. If you do want to use your personal calendar, you just choose that first one here. And then the search term. So since we're asking for a new event based off of a search, we want to figure out exactly, we want to type in the exact term we want Zapier to pull. And I'm just going to go over and check because it does have to be exact. Alice Toyota unavailable. Perfect. Hit continue. So now in this next step, it's actually going to go into your calendar and try to find an exact match to see if it's right. So we're going to go to test and review. And this is good because it's actually confirming that it found something. So it's confirmed, so that's all good. And what I do is actually go down to here we go. I go down to the summary because that's always going to be the title of the calendar invite and make sure that's exactly what I'm confirm that that's the correct one. So it says Alice's Toyota unavailable. That means we're good. We can click on Done Editing from this step. So now it asks, what do you want us to do with this trigger? So we're going to click on Complete this step. I'm going to I want it to work with the Google Apps. So I'm going to click on that. And then choose Action Event. I want it to actually create a very detailed event. Hit Continue. Choose the account. And in this step, they're going to ask you what calendar you want to connect to. So again, same thing that we did above. I'm going to actually connect my personal account because I get an error if I try to write on the Turo account. That might be an option if you're getting a specific error later down below. And then you just simply fill out the field. So the summary is what you want the calendar invite title to be. And you can always use these lines with the plus to insert a field from the trigger event, which is really handy if you're wanting to customize these events. I'm going to do that in time just a little bit later. Location you can add, start date and time. Again, this is where I'm going to pull in something from the previous event. So I want it to match the exact time of the previous calendar. I'm going to click on 2:30 p.m. And the end time, let's just also do 2:30 p.m. Let's see if we can be very precise. But you can do things here such as invite people, either people from the original event, or you could pull in somebody if you're always inviting the same person, which I am in my case. You can make custom reminders. Again, this detailed event is very detailed, which is great. Let's click on Continue. And same as what I did above, it's going to ask you to test and continue to make sure that everything is working correctly, that the API is set up correctly. And sure enough, it is. You get a great green bar. That's what I love about Zapier. It's super easy to use. And all you have to do here is click on Done Editing and turn it on. So it's as simple as that. That's the calendar invite from another calendar invite in less than 5 minutes.